Alright, this is the bid tracker app. This app is designed to help you manage and organize all of your open bids. We can go ahead and start with the settings tab, and here is you have the ability to change the theme of your dashboard. A little TV scroll speed bar, so if you want you can have this scroll automatically and scroll through all your open bids on its own, and then this bar will just control the speed of that scroll. Your maintenance and settings, and then an overview of the application and what it does, and then your feature guide, and then you also have a little Ask AI button up here. So if you have any questions about any of the data, you can go ahead and ask it a question, and then AI will give you an answer. So in this case I asked who has the most active bids, and then AI will give you a little breakdown based off of the data in here, who has the most active bids. If you want to create a new bid, you can go ahead up here and click the add new bid button. And there's two ways to add new bids. One is you can do it using AI, and just by texting in this box what you want, it'll prompt you questions. You go ahead and answer those questions and it'll fill out the form for you. Or if you want to fill it out yourself, you can just hit this use form button and fill out your new bid right in this form. So this is the main pipeline and where all your open bids live. There's little filters for each column to help you narrow stuff down if you're looking for a specific bid. Your KPI cards up here, and then you got a workload tab. Here's all your project managers and their current workload and the details down here. A little sent tab with all your closed bids and the outcome on those bids. You got one submitted, lost, no bid, and then your own personal dashboard, team's dashboard, and then a nice executive dashboard.